back to our channel, Pierce Family Wellness. This month on Instagram, we are doing all about inflammation. So make sure that you follow us on Instagram. And this week in particular, we're doing self-massage and how it can help reduce inflammation, particularly with cupping. You can buy this cupping set anywhere, Amazon. We'll leave a link in the description box below. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure that you click the subscribe button. And if you want to be the first to be in the know about all of our exclusive content, make sure that you hit the notification bell. Let's go. What are we doing today?
Today we're going to do some static cupping.
Why would we do that for inflammation?
We're going to use it to help increase blood flow and lymphatic drainage.
Sweet.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to do some static cupping, in this case for the bottom part of your stomach. So you're going to find your rib margins, you're going to take the cup, set it half on your rib, half off, and simply add a couple pumps, which is going to pull the air out and create a suction. I like to use 2, maybe 3 cups to cover the entire area. I like to do 2 to 3 pumps. Once you have the cup set, you're just going to go ahead and start taking some nice full breaths. Maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 breaths to start to feel the tissue and start to feel the fascia expand. And then from there, you can take an arm up so long as the cups still feel okay, and you can stretch, kind of reaching up to the ceiling, spreading your fingers, bending your wrist back, locking your elbow, and reaching up as high as you can while you continue to breathe. When you're ready to take them off, you're just going to pull the release valve. You're going to gently slide your finger underneath to make sure there's no pull onto the skin and remove the cups.